very quiet, which is wonderful. I think the kids have gotten a lot more freedom than the other guys would.
Viking stinks here.
Yeah.
Clancy!
Going down isn't so bad.
Yeah. What else?
Actually, at our old house, we had like, you could bike for like ever.
Brownies, yes. We're gonna have supper before tea. Yes, maybe. I've got some dessert now, so you just wait and see. But there's no point in having...
You want me to do the Canadian wave?
No.
His tail is still going and he's sitting there.
Oh, he's a brat.
Dave, just let him play. Because he was asking Betty to play with him. He really was. He said, come on, play. And you know our girls, they can't resist a good invitation to play.
Hey, go play with Quincy.
It was so funny when we got Betty.
Hey, Daddy.
Poor sport.